everyone, welcome back to my channel Cat by Nagendra. So in this video we are going to create drafting for this part as how they have mentioned here. Same we are going to create with drafting options. Now I have opened the part for which we want to create drafting. So this part design already we have created and we have uploaded in our channel. If you have missed this, please check it out. Now just we can go directly for start, mechanical design, drafting we need to enter, or else if we have created the shortcuts directly we can click here drafting. Then we need to select here empty sheet. Why? Because here we are not having all three views with reference to first angle or third angle. So if we go with empty sheet, whatever the view we want we can keep it. Now I'll go here with empty sheet with A2 size sheet size, let's say okay. Now, after entering into drafting, first thing we need to create this border and title block for this drawing sheet. For that, as already we know, we need to go here with edit, sheet background. Then by using this drawing, we need to use this option called frame and title block. Here we will be having different type of samples. So I am going to create with this sample one, create, let's say, okay. Then after creating this borders and jaws and title block, if we want to insert views into drawing sheet, we need to be on main drafting workbench. So for that, we need to go for edit. We need to come back to main workbench called working views. Now you can see these options will be shown and drawing sheet also will be shown in white color. Now for this one, very simple drafting. This is just two views are there. Top view is there. For that we are having here section cut. So to get this section cut, first we need to insert this top view. For that we will use here front view. By using window, we need to open the part for which we need to create drafting. Then either we want to insert this front view or top view or side view. According to this, we need here top view. Just I'll click on top. Then we can click outside like this. Then for this top view, we are having section view here. You can see it is starting through this cutout. Then it is going through this pocket. Again, it is ending with this pocket. Same like this only we need to draw section line now. So for that, we can go here with this offset section view. For this pocket, we need straight to this somewhere here like this. Straight to this up to here. Here only one click. Why? Because we need steps here. Then again up to here, one click I'll give. Then up to this, up to here only we want, so we can double click here. Then we will get projection either downside or upside. So we want it here upside. Like this we will get. Then just we will insert isometric view also by using this isometric view. By using window for this part, I will make it here proper orientation isometric view. Click somewhere. Automatically isometric view will be placed like this. Now let's go for dimensioning. So for this dimension, as you can see, first I'll come here with this horizontal dimension. This 18 is there. Then here 16 is there. So we need dimension. Directly here dimension, horizontal dimension for this line we are having here 18. Then for this vertical we are having 10, here also 10, again here dimensioning. If you want to use continuously, double click on that. We need here vertical dimension for this. Then this line to this line we want it. Then next to that, for this center to end we are having dimension here, but directly we can't get this center dimension. So here we need one center line. So to create that center line, as we have discussed in tutorials, so under dress up we will be having here center axis line. Click on axis line. We need axis line between this to this. So you can see one line is created here. So just you can go for dimensioning. We need dimension from this line to this edge properly we will get here. So here it is getting doubled Let's click again. I think it is selecting this section view line. So here you can see like this. Then same vertical line also we wanted. Again, I'll go for axis line between this line to this line, one vertical line. Dimensioning we wanted from this edge to this center like this. We need horizontal dimension like this. Then this 24 we want dimension from this line to this line. 24 we are having. Next, here 51, this center to center or this line to line we can take. Total dimension 75. So dimension from this to this 51. Again dimension from this line, dimension from this line to this line, we need here 75. So this is about this top view. Next, total length 135 we are having. Dimension from this starting to ending we are having here 135. So this view we can just move like this, and scale if you don't want, just we can edit this like this. Then this height we are having here 35, and these two heights we wanted. Vertical dimension from this to this we wanted this one. Then dimension for this line we wanted here. Dimension for this line also we wanted here. Then horizontally these two we wanted. This to this here. Then this to this here. So like this we can create drafting for any part. So here this is a very simple part. So just we can insert these views and we can generate dimensioning for this particular part. So I hope you have understood little about this drafting. So after creating or after inserting all these 2D views and giving dimensions, at the end we need to hide these bars. So these border lines we need to turn off. So to turn off that, under this options, here one option we will be having called display view frame as specified for each view. So this should be turned off. Then normally it will be there. So just we can go for a file and we can save it. If you want directly we can save it with CAD drawing, or if you want we can save it with PDF format also. So whatever the format we want, just we can save it. Now let's say for example I'll save it in PDF, for example on desktop or somewhere here. For example on desktop I'll save it. Okay. So let me show you that PDF drawing is created. Once if I open this, you can see like this, normally it will be created. So this 2D diagram we will be sending or we will be giving for manufacturing industries. So by seeing this drawing, they will generate modelings. So I hope you have understood about this drafting. So if you feel this video is informative, please like the video and share to your friends to whom it will be useful. And if anything extra you wanted from my side, please let me know in comment box, like particular parts or particular this thing. If you can mention in comment box. I'll try to cover that. Thank you so much.